and we was really living. It must be something missing. Cause yesterday it felt that this can't be life.
Yeah.
Today it seemed we only getting by.
Yes, sir. Hey, I remember as a young buck, all I wanted had in life was dumb luck. Enough money that I could fill up a dump truck, and a whip that I could swing like nunchucks. But both of those came second to the females, staring at their backsides, but I couldn't see well. Caught up in a chase with holler for my sake. I guess knowing I could pull them would help me to feel safe. But them girls wasn't safe though, cause I was done when I had what I came for. It made me feel like I was living, it ain't so. Wish I could go back and take away the pain, bro. Now as I sit on the stage and them drummers play them cymbals and things, somebody ran the corner on the mission trying to get them some change, hoping they could pay for a change. I wish that things was different.
Thank you, Jesus. Let your glory fill this place. Let your all-consuming fire fill this tabernacle and purify our hearts. Surround us in this place. Want you to breathe new life within us. Send a refreshing love. Purify our hearts. Let your glory fill. Let your glory fill this place. Let your all-consuming fire. Surround us in this place. Surround us in this place. Breathe new life. Breathe new life. Oh, within us, Jesus. Oh, yes. Come on, let's ask for the rain tonight. Let's ask for the rain. Say rain. in this place. Breathe new life, Jesus.
Send a refreshing, Lord. Saturate our hearts.
Come on, just lift that hand. We see your glory. We see your glory, Lord. You're high and you're lifted up, and your train fills the temple. We worship you, we worship you, we worship you, we worship you. Oh, we worship you. Oh, we bow down in your presence as the angels do, and we cry, holy, 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 we see your glory. Let it be revealed in this place. Hey, do let it be revealed. Show yourself. We want to really, really, really know you, Lord. So we worship you. How we worship your majesty. Dominion, power, it belongs to you.